Hello, I'm Vanessa Lorenzo. I'm based in Lausanne and Berlin, and I'm part of the residency program in Amazon editorial residency. I'm a biohacker and also experimental media designer. And yeah, I'm working for a month now in the residency, and really looking forward to see what this will bring us all. So Mutare is based on the figure of the Greenman, and the reason why. So the Greenman is a human plant hybrid that comes from the pagan culture. In Europe, there is many figures in Central Europe, Eastern Europe, Southern Europe, everywhere that symbolizes this hybrid between nature, culture, human, plant, and it's a sort of a symbolism that I wanted to rescue as a hybrid, but also a very, I think it's pertinent or important to revisit this symbolism, this character now, because I think now that we are struggling with the or being conscious about the Anthropocene and the climate change and the burden that we have created for ourselves, I think this figure really challenges and really shows us the the vulnerability of human race, so the human species, um, as part of nature. There is no limit between, there is no difference, there is no up and down, there is not ontological hierarchy between the human animal and the rest and nature. And therefore, there is no limit between culture and also technology. Who is Mutare? So Mutare is a project that started with a thought in 2018, and the idea was, what would it be like to have a modern human subjectivity, or to imagine a modern human subjectivity while being a human for ourselves, in order to challenge human exceptionalism. Through this residency, I thought about the continuation of Mari Mutare in a way that I could explore a territory that I think that it could be the Amazonian forest, because I've never been there, through the digital technologies. So I could dive and imagine and explore it. I was thinking that a good way to do it was to tell a story, a speculative ethnofiction, through augmented reality filters. And now I was thinking of imagining these new characters that explored the Amazonian forests, and these new characters that could be encountering different people that are interested on exploring or challenging human identities, interested on this trans species transitioning from human to someone else or something else, somebody else. And I think the transfeminism with ecofeminism, it could be a very interesting crossroads. I was thinking more and more that mixing botanical archaeology with digital tools and this sort of ornaments. And I was thinking, like the other day when we talked with the botanists and the scientists, I was thinking like maybe the story could be about speculative future of, I was thinking of two characters that they have to figure out, they are not from the place, and they have very quickly to gather information of how to communicate with different species, not only animals or humans, but also plants. So the idea is to go beyond text and images in this editorial residency using online tools such as the blog entries of the magazine, or blog-like structure where a story will be told with text, but in order to go beyond that and to explore this story beyond the screen, I will use augmented reality filters that could be or will be possible to use through the social media